Hi guys, this is Mario with Wayback Wisdom, and today we're going to go over the 110 Conibear. Now, to talk about the components first, this is our spring. These whiskers right here are the whiskers or the trigger, and this is the dog or part of the trigger. There's a lot of different terms for these, so you'll have to just kind of learn the components, and some people refer to them as different things. And this square body here is the jaws. Now, this is going to be an instant kill trap, so it's important to keep in mind if for animals under 20 pounds, so minks, muskrats, possums, rabbits, squirrels, things like that. So now, if we wanted to set one of these, what we would do is we would compress down the springs and we would grab the jaws tightly. There you go. Sorry, I gotta get used to doing this in reverse with the camera. And we would take our dog here and line it up on our trigger. And there you go. Now we have a set Conibear trap. As you can see, the tension's down on the spring, which brings the square jaws up, which is being held by this whisker in the trap here. So now I'll try to find something to set this off with for you guys. You don't need much. So now, if this was a trail set, for example, and you had an animal coming in like this, he would hit the whiskers, and boom. He would catch himself right there, and you would have this wired off to something so it wasn't going anywhere. It would kill the animal instantly, very humane, and you could come back and get them in the morning. So yeah, this is the 110 Conibear. I'm gonna go over a set in the next video about how to put this in on a muskrat hut, so go check that out if you want to see this thing in action. Again, I just want to emphasize trapping is extremely regulated, as well as this is a dangerous item. It can break your hand, break your fingers, so do it at your own risk, practice at your own risk, and make sure you check your local laws and things of that nature. I appreciate you guys watching this video. I'll be back with another one shortly, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.